In this video, we will be understanding the investment presentation of Dwarkesh Sugars Industries Limited. So this is the investor presentation which we have downloaded from the website of BSC. It is mentioned Dwarkesh Sugar Limited. The registered office of company is in Nariman Point Maker Chamber 5. This report was filed with BSC and NSC as shares is listed on both the exchanges. Pursuant to Regulation 30, so this is as per Regulation 30, we enclose here with investor presentation for first quarter ended on June. So from this we understand that this is the investment presentation by Dwarkesh Sugar filed with both the stock exchanges. At NSC it is known as Dwarkesh, at BSC its course is 532610. So as they have mentioned, this is the investors update Q1 FY23 dated 29 July 22. Q1 FY23. What does Q1 FY23 means? So quarter 1 of financial year 23 which is 1/4/2022 से 31/3/2023. Got the point? Let us know. So this is a safe harbor statement which every company discloses while going for a investment presentation. So investment presentation data, as we will be discussing ahead, will involve many judgments, many key estimates and projections, assumptions which are used by company in preparing those. So safe harbor rule, we will be discussing this for one time in ahead presentation. We won't be discussing it in detail. So what we will just read out, then we will explain. The presentation and accompanying slides which have been prepared by Dwarkesh Sugar Industries Limited has solely for information purpose and do not contain any offer recommendation to purchase securities. So ये जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट है that is उनका पर्पस सिंपल है, that is to provide outlook by management and that does not solicit any investment from the investors and shall not be form any basis relied in condition content binding whatsoever. So you should not purchase share basis this presentation. This has been cleared by first paragraph. Then what the second paragraph says? The presentation has been prepared by company based on information data company consider reliable. So जो भी data use हुआ है that is reliable, means that is been taken from some legitimate source by the company, but the company makes no representation warranty express or implied, but responsibility कुछ नहीं लेंगे हम. Data है वो सही है, but we don't take any responsibility that this data is correct or not. If you want to trust the company's management, you may use this data, otherwise you are free not to read further. Accuracy, completeness, reasonable presentation, company का कोई responsibility नहीं है. This is management has no data, you want to use, you use, otherwise you don't use. The presentation contains certain forward-looking statement concerning the company's future business prospect and profitability. So this presentation will mention that in future the company will grow at this percentage, the profitability will improve at this basis point, our EPS is going to increase, the industry outlook is very good. So company might be using some favorable things which are not predominantly there in the present scenario of the market. So looking at the same, the company might have taken some assumption which investors or the reader of this presentation may not feel are accurate. So the company is saying that this is statement which is being made as per the management guidance and what management believes out to be what is going to happen in the near future. So ultimately there is no binding on company. The subject to risk and uncertainty, actual result may materially differ. So क्या बोल रहे हैं that असली रिजल्ट जो एक्चुअल में जो रिजल्ट आने वाला है, हम बोल रहे हैं कि हमारे क्वार्टर FY23 में क्वार्टरली अर्निंग फर्स्ट क्वार्टर में अर्निंग 200 करोड़ है. कंपनी बोल रही 1600 करोड़ हम FY23 में हो जाएंगे, बट दैट इज अ फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग स्टेटमेंट एज मेंशन हियर that can materially come. 16 करोड़ का लॉस भी आ सकता है. So you should not blindly believe this statement. The risk and uncertainty, blah blah, economic and ये सब read कर लेना. This is same. You safe harbor rule. Don't believe in what you read. Do your own research. This is just a management outlook. So this is a conference call linked to that. So on 1st August 2022 at 3 p.m. conference call has been scheduled. You can dial in this number and you will directly be able to join the company's management if you have any query related to this. Let's move ahead. Earning call. So this slide they have mentioned that ahead slide will include the business overview. So let us first discuss the concept what is a business overview and what does management discuss and provide in the business overview detail before going and actually reading the business overview statement. Business overview is a statement by management describing the various political, economical and other scenarios in which business is apparently operating. So what are the risks, what are the uncertainties, what are the opportunities, what are the strengths which the business is operating in the current environment. We will be getting the insights of that from the particular slides. At a glance, so what we do. So Dwarikesh Sugars has 3 plants located in Uttar Pradesh, one of the largest sugar producing state. Out of that, 2 plants are located in Bijnor district, a district with focused concentration on production on highly fertile well irrigated land. Plant at Bari, low-lying Ganga Plain district with fertile alluvial soil. So here what is company said, it has 3 plant, 2 plant in one district, 1 plant in other, 2 plant have highly fertile land, other one also highly fertile. So company has a good business environment, access to large clearly defined cane producing area in the region. All 3 plants are well connected with major sugarcane consuming market of country. The Bari located national highway itself. 175 distillery project embarked upon Dwarkesh Dham unit has been completed with commence. TCD stands for tons of cans per day. Megawatt kiloliter per day. Sugar session. ठीक है, this is the capacity which company has. ठीक है, बिजनेस ओवरव्यू बता दिया. 3 प्लांट है, 2 बिजनौर में है, 1 बरेली में है, गंगा के नज़दीक है, हाईली फर्टाइल लैंड है. उत्तर प्रदेश इज स्टेट विच इज़ हाईएस्ट प्रोड्यूसर of sugarcane. So company has a supply on the buying side. Company has no issue on procuring sugar. On supply side, company is mentioning that it is nearly located to national highway, which in itself increase company's ability to get access to the market. Now let us move to the slides ahead. Operational overview. Farms nearly they have access to 1.51 lakhs farms. They procure sugarcane, crushing facilities, sugarcane juice, बगास. sugarcane juice को क्रश करेगा तो जूस निकला, बगास निकला. क्लैरिफिकेशन, इवेपोरेशन, क्रिस्टलाइजेशन, शुगर मिला 21 टन कैन पर डे. Clarification, evaporation, crystallization, we get molasses external sale, distillery ether, industrial alcohol and Dwarikesh distillery, molasses, bagasse power generation, renewable energy 9 megawatt, entity input, process, intermediate, byproduct, output. So what this chart suggests? This chart will give you the complete scenario of a sugarcane industry. So first, a company procures sugarcane from farmers. This sugarcane is being crushed in 3 facilities: 2 in Bareilly, 2 Bijnor and 1 in Bareilly. क्रश होता है. क्रश आफ्टर क्रशिंग शुगर केन जूस इज बीन एक्सट्रैक्टेड. लेट अस रीड इट. तो व्हाट विल डू, कंपनी विल प्रोक्योर इट फ्रॉम फार्मर्स. तो शुगर केन प्रोक्योर किया, शुगर केन कंपनी की फैक्ट्री में लाया, फैक्ट्री में शुगर कैन आया, शुगर कैन में से शुगर कैन जूस निकाला, शुगर कैन जूस निकाला, शुगर कैन जूस निकलता है तो उसके साथ उसका जो बगास गंदा माल है, यानी व्हेनेवर वी यूज शुगर कैन जूस, वो शुगर कैन के गन्ने का जूस निकल एक्सट्रैक्ट एंड देन अदर पार्ट इज लेफ्ट आउट, दैट इज़ बीन यूज एज अ पावर जनरेशन. उससे 91 मेगावाट पावर सरप्लस निकलता है एंड कंपनी है सरप्लस ऑफ एनर्जी डिमांड. कंपनी 91 का मेगावाट जनरेट करती है फिक्स. ओनली 35 मेगावाट इज यूसेज, बाकी 96 है सरप्लस. शुगर कैन जूस, उसको क्लैरिफिकेशन, इवेपोरेशन एंड क्रिस्टलाइजेशन, वी गेट शुगर. बाकी जो बचता है दैट इज़ मोलासिस इज यूज एज एक्सटर्नल सेल, और वो दारू बनाने में काम आता है. मोलासिस दारू बनाने में काम आता है. तो कंपनी है जो वेस्ट को भी यूज़ हो रहा है. देयर आर 2 वेस्ट, वन इज मोलासिस एंड सेकेंड इज बगास. Bagasse is used for power generation. Molasses is used for distillery to make the favorite thing which you like, distillery. Who is the management? Management is an important aspect for any business because they define the company's well-being, and based on their part they will be working. Mr. Morarka, G.R. Morarka, founder and promoter, executive chairman, commerce graduate and ICWA inter, received Indira Gandhi Padma Shri Award for management. Okay, ICWA grad. Then Mr. Vijay Banka, he is a chartered accountant, managing director, over 3 decades of experience in finance and strategy, managing director and company's secretary cum chief compliance officer, over 3 decades of experience of legal, taxation, secretarial and administrative market. Priyank Morarka, president corporate affairs, बेटा R.K. Gupta, senior executive vice president, Salil Arya, group compliance, chief finance Sunil Kumar Goel, CA होंगे. So that's about the management. So we can see that the management is quite educated and most of them are having finance background. One is from ICWA, other is from CA, ICAI, other, and third one is from ICSI. So Trinity we call it in India, that is ICAI, cost accountant, chartered accountant and company secretary. This Trinity is managing this company, that is very good. What are the key milestones which companies have achieved during this tenure? So we will say incorporated in 1993, commissioned Dwarkesh with plant capacity of 2500 ton can day. Now it has increased to 2500. So if we divide, majorly around 8x growth company has been since its incorporation in 20 years. Company has shown 8x growth. रेस 325 डिस्टिंग इंक्रीज सरप्लस, ठीक है. रेस 325 मिलियन INR, 3 करोड़ 25 लाख थ्रू IPO से आए थे 3 करोड़ 36 लाख. Setup destroyed 30 LDP capacity compared to Harkapuram plant custom increase ability. Commission to RKS 35 MW surplus increase to congestion. Commence of power for surplus sales supply GT and LGC registration. Debottling, risk sizing, 100 LDP distillery. New distillery plan LDP. This is how capacity expansion has been through. You can get more on this video link. Go to that link. So this is how company has performed over the last 20 approximately 25 years. What are the business strategies that companies have adopted? So it is very good. Means if you are a management student or a finance student, you always are looking forward to learn about strategies. And this investor presentation is giving you the strategy which a corporate has applied to achieve 8x growth. Having 3 plants, sugar plant, which are in the focus now because sugar cane, as you mentioned, farmers से sugar cane buy करते हैं, sugar cane को crush करते हैं, उसमें 2 चीज़ निकलता है, sugar cane juice and the second one is bagasse. Bagasse is used for energy generation and further refining, crystallization, evaporation process से शुगर बनता है. शुगर बनने के टाइम एक और बाय प्रोडक्ट बनता है, that is molasses. That molasses is used by sugarcane distilleries for preparing alcohol. So you see that how these business processes have been evolved over the period, and that is what the strategies are. Business strategies of Dwarikesh Sugar. Operating efficiency through continuous improvement in operation parameters, focus on R&D, continuous engagement. So whatever operating parameters are there, they are continually looking after that and they are continually able to improve upon that. Deleveraging, reducing leverage through combination of prudent financial management and repayment of debt. So debt reduce करना is a target. We are currently one of the most integrated sugar companies in Uttar Pradesh. We plan to further improve performance metrics with continuous cost control. Focus on cost control through plant efficiency and logistic management. Cane development, continuous education of farmer on best farming practice, high yield sugar consumption. They are educating farmers for higher yield. So farmers' income is also been improving. Making timely payments to farmers, incentive and increase in area under sugarcane. So now company, the main input which company is getting is from farmers. So now company is discussing on their relationship with the input provider, that is farmer. Cane development, dedicated cane development to supervise cane development and procurement. Cane here is sugar cane. To supervise cane development and procurement, किसान सेवा से केंद्र फॉर प्रमोशन ऑफ हाई यील्ड सीड वैरायटी, सीड्स अच्छे होंगे. हार्वेस्टिंग प्रोग्राम को मॉनिटर करते हैं. सॉइल टेस्टिंग इन लेबोरेटरी. प्लांट एरीगेट विद फार्मर रोड साइड फैसिलिटी टू अट्रैक्ट अदर फार्मर टू अबाउट बेस्ट एग्रीकल्चर वैली. Augment automing plant to compensate for loss of rotan, giving higher yield for better recovery. Fertilizer and inputs associated with 1.51 lakh farmers. Purchase sugarcane worth 1275 crores, which is similar in line with FY21 from in our reserved area, providing impetus. Dedicated web portal for farmers, Kishan Goti, Nukkad Natak. So these are all various initiatives taken by company to have stronger relationship with the management, with the input providers, and this is how company is able to get the similar lines of supplies which they have got initially, and the farmers are also happy. They are interacting with farmers with various programs called Kishan Goshti, Nukkad Natak, which I believe would be providing a confidence to the farmers also that the company is after them. Now we have discussed about the business strategies, management, how companies helping out with farmers, how what are the strategies. Now important to discuss is financial performance in Q1 FY23. This is important and I believe majority of investors are more keen in discussing this. So I believe I will first took out your, I won't take a lot of time here in reading out the number, as you, I believe you have done your analysis on your own. I will be open, I will be giving more time to your question than your answer, rather than focusing on the other issues. Let us get to the details. And if you have any queries, do comment down on the video. So we will be joining that call with management and we can ask the management regarding what is the output which they have. So going to the financial performance directly. So first of all, when we are analyzing any result, it is very important to understand that in what terms that results have been given. So somewhere the results are being given in crores, somewhere it is in millions, somewhere it is in lakhs, somewhere it might be, it would be in INR also, it would be USD, Euro. So first of all, it is very important to understand what the results are in. So they are mentioned that in INR million. So this is 1, 10, 100, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. So 10 lakh is million. So 1 0. So if we remove 1 0 out of this, we get figures in crores. So total income 648 crores, EBITDA of 75 crores, PAT of 39 crores. Last year it was around 27 crores, same time 55 crores. 39 crores into 5, so 160 crores, plus that's quarterly 90, it was reduced 37, 39, 27, that is 44% growth into 160. So we can expect yearly profit to be around 231 to 232 crores, which is, we can say around company will be growing 50% this year. EPS 8 रुपये सालाना, एक 1.49% into 2.11 into 4, 12-12.5 रुपये तक का EPS आ सकता है करंट साल में. So that is very good. Company is increasing its PAT by 50% approximately. Let us see what is going to happen in the later quarter. But sugarcane realize, as I mentioned, that sugarcane industry is very lucrative in the current time, because the bagasse, molasses, sugar, all three products are in demand. So there is no wastage. You can improve your efficiency in that is there. Finance fund have been subsequently adjusted to exclude pertaining to the operative and trial period upon EBITDA has been adjusted. So that is very good. Trend analysis. लास्ट ईयर Q1 में 40 करोड़ का रेवेन्यू, 400 करोड़ का रेवेन्यू किया था, इस पर 650 करोड़ का किया है. सो रेवेन्यू इंक्रीज में 650 डिवाइड बाय 396, 64% का ग्रोथ है. प्रॉफिट में 44% का ही ग्रोथ है. क्या है रे बाबा, मेरे ख्याल से समथिंग इज देयर विच वी आर नॉट गेटिंग. बिट्टा मार्जिन 15% से देखो मार्जिन गिर रहा है सब्सटेंशियली. पैट मार्जिन, बिट्टा मार्जिन का रिवर्सल माइट बी इनपुट कॉस्ट हैविंग benefit burden not transferred to consumer, but you should be happy that farmers' income would have been increased. So that is good news. So they had a revenue of 646 crores in this quarter. Other income was roughly around 2 crores. Material consumed 300 crores. Around, you can assume that 400 और 500 करोड़ का मटेरियल कंजम्पशन है. सो इफ यू कैन कैलकुलेट ग्रॉस मार्जिन फॉर ईच ऑफ द ईयर 298 plus 6 plus 212 डिवाइड बाय 646, 20% ग्रॉस मार्जिन FY22 में Q1 में आया है. ग्रॉस मार्जिन Q1 लास्ट ईयर एंटायर ईयर इधर 20% है. ग्रॉस मार्जिन में 5% की मार्जिन है. If you will see ये 3 डिवाइड बाई ये 3 डिवाइड बाई ये 3 डिवाइड बाई ये, इस बार के क्वार्टर में 20% मार्जिन ग्रॉस मार्जिन. लास्ट टाइम 25%, साल में 30%. सो यू कैन, इफ सेल्स रन रेट इज हायर विच इज देयर, सेल्स हैज इंक्रीज बाय 64%. If same is the scenario for whole year and company is able to increase its margin by 5%, so if we say 1978 into 1.64, 3264 करोड़ पे अगर हम समझे कि 25% में मार्जिन आता है 810 करोड़. 810 करोड़. लेट अस टेक एम्प्लॉय कॉस्ट 96 हायर बाय 20% at 120 करोड़. $810, 120 करोड़ एम्प्लॉय का. फिनेंस कॉस्ट इन्वेंट्री में इन्वेस्ट हो, चलो 60 करोड़ ले ले हुए. एक डेप्रिसिएशन छोड़ो, अदर एक्सपेंस में थोड़ा बढ़ोतरी ले लेते हैं. 300 करोड़ ले नहीं, 465 करोड़ डिवाइड बाय 176 as profit 465 divided by 218, 2x growth कंपेयर टू आ सकता है प्रॉफिट में. सो दैट इज़ वेरी गुड. ऑपरेशनल ट्रेंड्स जो कंपनी को दिक्कत आई होगी प्रोक्योरमेंट में, भाव बढ़ रहा है, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, द कंपनी विल बी डिस्कसिंग दैट हियर because the major input is sugarcane. The company will be discussing that there are various hurdles in procurement. Farmers are asking for higher yields on their investments, and to and fro whatever is there, the company will try to explain us that, and how they are tackling that they will be surely sharing it. Let us see what is the company has to discuss. Okay. शुगर सोल्ड इन क्विंटल, ठीक है, ये सब चलने दो. इतना लीटर, मिलियन लीटर 57, 5 करोड़ 76 लाख. इस बार बढ़ गया 5 करोड़ 51 लाख. एवरेज रियलाइजेशन 15 रुपया पर लीटर. रियलाइजेशन हैज ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव. Cogeneration quarter performance. Cogeneration quarter performance. Power generation million units. 66 million 6 crore 63 lakhs units of power into 4 करेंगे 26 करोड़ का तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बना लिया है, समझ रहे हो। Q1 FY23 में ये एकदम रिड्यूस हो गया। पावर एक्सपोर्टेड, थोड़ा कैप्टिव कंजम्पशन किया, थोड़ा एक्सपोर्ट किया। 3.3 करोड़ यूनिट्स को एक्सपोर्ट किया। 3.3 इंटू 2.5 8 करोड़ 25 लाख लास्ट क्वार्टर में कमाए। करंट क्वार्टर में लास्ट क्वार्टर में कमाए थे इस बार 2.8 इंटू 4 11 करोड़ ही कमाए। 2.5 रुपये से मैंने मल्टीप्लाई किया, तो वो गलती है मेरी। रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन मिलियन, ठीक है। को जनरेशन ही ठीक है, सब्साइड इनकम है। एनेक्शर फैसिलिटीज, so this is how the factory looks. Dwarka Nagar unit, Bijnor district, which is one of the units is near to highway. Sugar plant overview, distillation, multi-purpose evaporation, bagasse silos. Bagasse is used for power generation. Continuation plan. Good photos to see about industries. Bijnor district, Puran Ajam NC. जूस इवेपोरेटर, जूस शुगर कैन जूस को गर्म करेंगे तो मोलासिस आ जाएगा बाहर। सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन स्टेशन, स्विच यार्ड, कोजनरेशन कंट्रोल पैनल, दिस इज फॉर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, फैसिलिटी ओवरव्यू, 24 मेगावाट TG सेट पैन स्टेशन, क्लैरिफिकेशन सेंटर्स। बिजनौर डिस्ट्रिक्ट का प्लांट देखो, शुगर कैन को स्टोर करते होंगे। ये चिमनी है। दिस आर ऑल शेड्स ओवर देयर, दिस आर स्मॉलर टैंकर्स। सीमेंट, कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन कैपेक्स भी चल रहा होगा। डी द्वार के शुगर DSIL लिखा हुआ है। दिस इज रोड इज रोड पुल है क्या, समझ नहीं आ रहा। ये देखो इधर गर्म हो रहा है, ये ऑपरेशन। इतनी डिस्टिलरी है भाई। शुगर कैन स्टोरेज प्लांट, यहाँ पे गन्ना का वेयर हाउस होगा। दिस इवेपोरेशन सेंटर, भट्टी, ये छोटे छोटे स्टोरेज प्लांट, ये पानी की टंकी, ये गाँव के खेतर, ये रोड, ये धुआं, फैक्ट्री है भाई। ये कोई थैंकिंग यू विजय एस बांका, मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर, द्वारिकेश शुगर, सुश्री वकारिया, Factor PR Private Limited. This is the PR company which has prepared the slide. You can connect with them for any details further required. Thank you. So I will be also taking your leave. Hope you would have liked this investor analysis video. I guess this video has been a bit long and many of you have not make out to the end part, but I believe that was it for the day. Thank you. Thanks if you have watched till here. Another good video on various industry analysis. Hoping to create that little sooner. Do subscribe to my channel. I require this initial support from you. Thank you. Signing off. This is Harshit.